Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 taskbar icons are showing with text or title instead of normal icons, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to fix the taskbar icon showing with title problem. Right-click on taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down, and now click on Taskbar Behaviors. Make sure Combine Taskbar Buttons and Hide Labels is set to Always. This option hides the titles and shows only taskbar icons. Once done, close Settings and check your taskbar. That's it. Your taskbar icons should now display normally without showing titles. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.